Into the Wall House by Bergmeisterwolf Architekten in BRESANONA, Italy. A further construction, a transformation, an addition, a new use of a chicken house, part of a historic building located in the center of Milland, near Brixen. The idea of a retreat, a room for reflection, meditation, rest, dreaming, being yourself. All the new components of the building are handmade and designed essentially according to the principle of the construction in continuity. The solid stone walls, the plasterworks were cleaned and restored, retained in their tactility, and completed just in the gaps or transitions. They are additions that give a new identity to the whole, such as the gutter as a colorful and textured design element. The newly positioned black pigmented concrete staircase integrates the building into the landscape and becomes part of it. It is positioned in the complex by extending the wall, which induces a retreat in the open air, a continuation of the construction of the wall, of the solid. The architecture is completed by a concrete circle, a landscape element, an island, and a place to linger amid untreated nature. The roof of the volume floats constructively on the stone, creating a special in-between space, lightness, and visual references. The skin of welded, untreated aluminum sheets is laid on top of it, creating a handcrafted counterpoint. Special elements such as the detailed eaves painted green, the red color taken from the context, and the door and window frames form a contrast to the wall and create an effect that accentuates it. The window frames form a contrast to the wall and create unity. Inside there is an open OSB box, painted light pink. The sectional line of the box runs through the room, becoming a wall paneling, kitchen, and bathroom and, despite of the minimum space, 15 square meters, creates lightness in the interior, a concentrated, changeable space that resides within itself, a space for working, sleeping, and dreaming.